Hi guys, this is Abhinav Sabharwal and welcome to another video by School of RPA. Today we are going to talk about hottest RPA job titles in 2021. So first of all, Happy New Year. With the increase in adoption of automation abilities by various organizations, technologies like robotic process automation or RPA are gaining momentum. RPA is undeniably generating a lot of interest and hiring activity because of its potential for automating and integrating processes without the need for big budget IT projects. In the current market landscape, RPA opportunities are not limited to technologists. Business analysts and others with the ability to analyze process and imagine how they can be automated can learn to produce bot themselves or write up requirements for an RPA developer to work from. Business leaders whose organization have not yet taken advantage of robotic process automation have the opportunity to champion possibilities and crave out a role for themselves leading that initiative. Here are some of the hottest robotic process automation job titles for 2021. First is RP developer. RP developer is someone who works cross-functionally with business operations and business analysts to create and optimize workflow processes. However, this is a relatively new career path and many organizations' former title for RP developer differs. The role of successful RP developer requires specific skills and best practices like documentation and planning. In order to automate a business process, an RP developer will be required to create workflow diagrams and strategically document a process prior to implementation. While the responsibilities of a robotic process automation developer may vary, someone in this role is typically in charge of designing and managing workflow automation projects. The person may also be responsible for testing or bug fixes. So coding skills are important as well. In order to be successful in the role of RP developer, they must have ability to navigate various appropriate technologies such as UiPath or Blue Prism. RP solution architect. An RP solution architect is the pillar of an organization's robotic process automation implementation and enables an RPA solution to be developed and deployed. The solution architect is responsible to oversee the initial infrastructure setup for dev, test, and production environments. The solution architect also explores server and other RPA deployment options. The solution architect is responsible for getting everyone on the COE, including stakeholders, to agree on the best practices to be followed. They make sure that proper coding standards and guidelines are laid out. Collaborating with business analysts on the feasibility and optimization is undertaken. As a part of the preparation, the solution architect is also responsible to estimate time and cost and plans on technical meeting to be conducted during the process. Furthermore, the candidate is in charge of designing solutions, building the workflows, testing and sustaining the solution. The solution architect is responsible for identifying reusable components that can save duplicate efforts and also defining how to manage configurable parameters, queues, and schedules of robots to optimize cost and runtime. RPA business analyst. Here are the things an RPA business analyst is expected to do. So RPA business analyst is like a normal business analyst but with the understanding of an RPA project. So he is responsible to develop a center of excellence for correct robotic process automation processes across the whole business. He has to create and ensure correct use of tools, templates, and best practices and quality assurance measures, including holding governance meetings. He has to educate and upskill teams on robotic process automation and lean process improvements. This should include running a lean and RPA lunch and learns to ensure teams are not just bought in, but involved in identifying, assessing, and redesigning processes. Identify and assess automation opportunities. So RPB is required to identify which processes are a very good candidate for automation and assess their suitability for automation. He or she also has to gather and analyze the requirements, write up use cases, and test plans. RPA business analyst is expected to lead workshops with stakeholders and process experts. And he should have enough knowledge of robotic process automation platforms. At the very least, he should be able to build a basic automated automation process. This is because he has to advise the business on what is and what is not possible. RPA business analysis develops an implementation roadmap for robotic process automation as well as suggest other automation like scripts, macros, spots, tools, etc. Now, what happens in automation is maybe RPA is not the best, or particular RPA tool is not the best solution. So he or she should also know about other tools which can do the automation. An RPA business analyst is expected to work with subject matter experts to document as process map and produce and run processes, redesign the processes if needed. RPA business analyst is expected to sit with the stakeholders and document the process and create a process definition document. She is also expected to support UAT and evaluation of automated processes, making bug blocks for developers to address. One final point. In many cases, you may also need to take on the project manager role to ensure you and your team achieve objectives and meet the deadlines. This is because a lot of times the teams are very small. So the role of RPA business analyst and project manager is oftentimes merged. RPA champions. Now, according to UiPath, RPA champions can drive robotic process automation adoption across the organization. The champion is the guardian of robotic process automation solution overall. They are responsible for ensuring a healthy automation pipeline while leading the operational management of the virtual workforce. An RPA champion coming from outside of IT ought to put some energy into establishing a good relationship with IT that will ensure long-term success. Guys, I cannot stress the point 3 enough. There have been a lot of RPA programs failure because IT was not involved in the project from the very beginning. I do think that the vendor community can do a better job of bridging the gap between business and IT rather than expecting that to happen also. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to learn to be any of the above 4, either RPA developer or RPA business analyst, RPA architect or RPA champion, then we have courses on Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, WorkFusion, as well as RPA business analyst training. We have online instructor training, we have placement assistance, as well as flexible timing. So since a lot of our students are working professionals, we have flexible timings which you can adjust as per your liking. We have weekend batches that you can take, or we have batches that are very early in the morning or late at night that you can also take outside of your office hours. So if you want to enroll in our courses, want to know a bit more about our course, or just want a detailed brochure of one of the tools that we have just mentioned, call us on 900-480-9189 or write to us on info@schoolof.rpa.co.in. You can also keep on watching our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and Happy New Year.